Strictly Come Dancing star Graziano Di Prima has left his family's small farm in Sicily, where he had been hiding after losing his job on the BBC show. The 30-year-old dancer has been dealing with paranoia and uncertainty about his future following allegations that he kicked, hit, and spat at his celebrity partner Zara McDermott during training. Graziano had been seeking solace at his grandfather's farm near Riesi, consoled by his mother Giovanna and wife Giada. The farm, which Graziano's family has worked on for generations, was a refuge for him after the scandal. Sources reveal that he grew up in poverty and his parents invested heavily in his dance career. However, Graziano is struggling with the situation and has fled the farm for an undisclosed location, feeling devastated by the loss of his career and future prospects. He had been avoiding public attention, only venturing outside to use the outdoor toilet on the farm. Graziano's upbringing was difficult, marked by poverty and bullying, which he has previously described as very tough. His family's support and sacrifices were crucial in his rise to fame, making the current crisis particularly hard for him to cope with.